Hello everybody! Today, I'm going to show you how to record your games on Steam. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Let's start. So the first thing you need to do is open up Steam. When Steam is open, click on this top left menu, then find Settings. Now, you should look for Game Recording. If this is not available, go to Interface, look for Client Beta Participation, and then make sure Steam Families Beta is enabled. Now, if that's done, go to Game Recording. As you can see here, we have three options: recording off, record in background, and record manually. Now, for this one, I'm going to use record in background only. You can also have the option to enable GPU hardware encoding. Now, you can also have the option to bind your timeline markers or your screenshots. I'll keep it at default for this one. You can also adjust the length and the quality of your videos. Adjust it to your preferences. You can also adjust the frame rate, but mine, I'll keep it at 60. Now, you can also include your audio recording or your microphone in your videos. If you don't want it, you can disable it by clicking it here. You also have the options to record audio from different types. If you want to record your audio from game only, you can pick this one. If you want to record the audio from all your system, make sure to press this one. If you want to record audio from game and selected programs only, make sure to select this one. But I'll keep it at all systems audio for this one. Now, let's start to record a game on Steam. Launch a game you want to record in the Library tab. For mine, I'm gonna use Tekken. Now, just like what I showed you earlier, if you want to screenshot a part of your game, just press F12 or the bind that you set it to. But if you want to add markers for your video, you press Ctrl plus F12. Now, if you press Shift tab, it will open up a stream timeline. In here, we will see a timeline of our recording. The blue markers indicate the parts that just got recorded. Each marker here is created by pressing Ctrl F12 during the recording. Now, after recording your games, go on View and select Recording and Screenshots. It will then bring you to our screenshot and recordings done using stream recording features. If you press the button, the yellow box will appear, indicating the part that you want to save in your recording. To save the entire recording, you select the in and out points to cover the whole blue markers or the whole blue timeline, which would capture the entire video. If you just want part of the video, just adjust the in and out points of your preferences. Now, to save your recording, click on Save and Share. You will now have these options for sharing your video. For this example, let's export it as a video file. It will then ask you where you want to save your video. Once you're done saving it, you can now have access to your recorded video and play it back. So that's it. That's how you use Steam Game Recording. Hope this video helps.